Kasim. It's just sneakers. And I just got done doing a video, and in the midst of that, I ended up getting a package, and it's something I've been waiting for. New Balance Salehe Bembury 2002R. I was like, I might as well just unbox it. As you see, you know, we can hide that, but let's get it. $1.50. Throw that down. Hold up. Boom. So I guess we starting with the box then. This box is pretty dope. It's like a water canyon. I ain't gonna front, this is off the top, so I'm not gonna be sounding all like a sneaker expert and shit, dropping you the facts. This is gonna be all off the cuff. Water be the guide. And yeah, let's take a look at these. First impression style. Got these from GOAT, by the way. I don't know if I should plug them or not, but I guess whatever. You know, from GOAT. Ended up paying resale because, like, let's be real, you probably did too. Or maybe you lucked up. Shout out to you if you did. Throw that to the side. Okay. First off, it's much darker in person than I thought. You know, much darker. Let me pull the other one out. Much darker in person. You know, I kind of thought online, I don't know, they made these come off like they were like aqua or whatnot, but I dig it though. I like this color. You know what I'm saying? You know, guess we give you a little history. 2002R, a newer pair, New Balance. You know, there's a few pairs that I've been interested in. The orange pair, actually, let me pull those. I got those on deck. You know what I'm saying? I guess we're doing a comparison video. These are the Peace Be the Journeys. Might as well pull these out too. Back to this video. This is what we doing. Yeah, so these right here were the first pair released, and these came out, I forgot exactly when they came out. I think it was like November or something. But I ended up copping these on a resale. I caught them at a good price. You know what I'm saying? I caught somebody slipping. And since I copped them, they shot through the roof even more. That'd probably be the fate of these. Ended up getting these for actually on a resale, but a decent price, not too crazy. They was up when they first dropped. And then since then, the price has gone down to moderate levels. Sort of like the Bodegas, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty much around the same price range. Yeah, I guess let's get straight into the shoe. The whole shoe is this real hairy type suede. You can start at the toe. You got that suede all around the front. The mesh on the toe box. It's sort of like it's twofold. It's like a cage. Underneath it, there's like a mesh. We got these two hints of leather. And, you know, this color's a little lighter, though. It isn't as dark as this. And I don't even know what the color to call this, man. This is just, it's just a blue. Take a look at the eyelets on the bottom right here. We got this leather. You know, it looks like a cowhide leather. You know, like a vintage leather, that good leather. Something you'll find on like a RL piece or something. Or like a Woolrich piece. You know, the tongue is that same material as this. The tongue has that leather, that vintage, classic looking leather like. New Balance running on the tongue. Shoelace, the blue. It's kind of tamed with that. I don't know, let's see what options we got right here. We got the green, the slime green, and we got this off-whitish, pinkish type of color, which is the same color as this. This color is like this isn't really white right here. I would say this color on the toe box and on these hits right here is like it's a rose pinkish type of color, I'd say. So the shoelace is that color as well. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling the slime. I'm feeling the slime shoelace, but we'll see. Go to the side of the shoe. It's mostly that same suede. The New Balance logo. It's a sort of a green, like a dark green with the, you know, the lime green overlay. We got a leather hit right here. The blue leather hit is like a completely different blue. Keep in mind, a mesh hit and that vintage leather 2002 R on there. Take a look at the back. We got that suede. And the suede, like there's, you know, two different grades of suede. We got the real hairy suede, which is, you know, that Muppet Baby suede. And then we got more of a regular felt kind of suede. Same color though. Sock liner is that same blue. Take a look at the insole. Same as the other ones. You know, it's pretty much just cork insole. Cool. Take a look at the midsole. It's sort of like a rose colored with a paint splatter. On this side of the shoe, same thing. You got the big green hit right here. You got that green hit right here that pops out here as well. Take a look at the outsole. Yeah, man. 2002 R's. Now for sizing on these, well, these are size 9. These are true to size. I got an 8.5 in these, and this is the reason why I got a size 9. So my suggestion is to go true to size. Now for my thoughts, as you see, now I unboxed these and I just got these. So my first impressions, thoughts is that, you know, they cool. They cool. They not too crazy. They not too crazy as I thought. I'm gonna keep it real with you, Chief. Not like when I first seen these. Like when I first took these out the box, I was like, you know what I'm saying? I was like, okay. With these, I'm sort of like, all right. You know what I'm saying? It's modest. It's modest to me. But they're not whack though. They're definitely a cop, you know. On feet looks. You know, what do y'all think, man? Do I think these are worth it? I mean, you know, that's a relative, but you know, if I'm just being general and whatnot, I think they are dope. And they worth it for a good price. Like if you got them retail, they definitely worth it. Or if you didn't pay too much over. Like I didn't get beat in the head for these, so I'm not too mad. But you know, I'm Kasim. It's just sneakers. This is a real review. Peace.